Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you parts of body. Children, in our previous video we have already stated about parts of body. But today I am going to write their names. Now open your copy and complete your work with me. Children, in the first you will write here the heading of parts of body. Then you will write here 1, and here you will write the name of hair, H-A-I-R, hair. What is the spelling of hair? H-A-I-R, hair. Then you will write 2 dash, and here you will write I, E-Y, E, I. What is the spelling of I? E-Y-E, I. Number 3 is air, air, E-A-R, air. What is the spelling of air? E-A-R, air. Then you will write here number 4. What? Then you will write here lips, L-I-P-S, lips, L-I-P-S, lips. Number 5. Now on number 5, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Number 6, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Then you will write here number 7, and on number 7 you will write here hand, H-A-N-D, hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Here you will write number 8, and on number 8 you will write finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Here you will write 9, and on number 9 you will write arm, A-R-M, arm, A-R-M, arm. Then you will write here 10, and on number 10 you will write leg, L-E-G, leg, L-E-G, leg. And here you will write 11, 11, and on number 11 you will write nose, N-O-S-E, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. And on number 12 you will write foot, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. On number 12 you will write foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Children, you will write these parts of body in your copy, and also you will learn these names at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.